Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Durango headlight. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb or assembly. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. We'll cover each step to ensure a smooth replacement, getting you back on the road safely with clear visibility. Let's get started. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. Open your hood and look for the two retaining bolts located on the top of the headlight unit. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these two bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It might feel snug, but it should slide out without excessive force, revealing the wiring. With the headlight assembly out, you can now replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing and pull it straight out. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its mounting position, ensuring it seats properly. Reinstall the two retaining bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely with your Phillips head screwdriver. Close the hood. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it's working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Dodge Durango headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.